Through Google Drive, you can share any of your files and folders that you store in your Google Drive with anyone you want. You can choose if you want them to edit, comment, or just view the file, and you can select whether you want anyone with the link to open or just the person that you share the link to. So to learn how to create Google Drive link to share files, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your drive. So you should already have the file that you want to share the Google Drive link to uploaded in your Google Drive. And we do have a video on how to upload file in Google Drive, so be sure to check that out. But right now, to create Google Drive link, just go to any of the files. Just select the file that you want to share the Google Drive link to. And once you do that, tap the three dots next to the title name of the file right there. So you can see right here one that says copy link and one that says share. So to just copy the link, you can just press that copy link and it will be copied, and you can go to any messaging app and just copy it. I'm going to show you in my notes here. You can just long press and then it says paste, so you can see that the link has been copied. Now to share the file directly to someone's email, just tap the three dots and you can see that option share. So just tap on that and then just type in the name of the person that you want to, and then just type in the email of the person that you want to share this Google Drive link to. So once you do that, you'll see below their name it says editor. So if you want to allow them to edit your files, you can keep it to that. If you don't, all the way at the right side you'll see a little arrow. So click on that and you'll see different options, viewer and commenter. So if you want the person to just be able to view it or be able to give you feedback, you can tap on commenter and viewer according to your wish. Now if you tap the three dots at the top right corner, you'll see it says manage access. So tap on that and you'll see in general access it says restricted. So only the person that I share the link to will be able to open this file. So if you press on change, you can see a little arrow button here, tap on that and you can change it to anyone with the link be able to open your file that you have shared the link to. So you can do it according to your wish. And once you set the settings to everything that you want, you can just press this arrow button right here and this link will be shared to their email. So that's it. That's how you create Google Drive link to share files. And if you want to know how to upload file in Google Drive, just tap that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.